हेलो दोस्तों। इस वीडियो में आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूं। और ये जो स्पेशली मैं टारगेट किया हूं, हाउ टू हैंडल एरर इन द प्रोजेक्ट। यू विल हैव टू हैंडल एरर and how to create log file. This is the main agenda. And so first of all, I am going very simple way. This is the mm, path of the Excel, but what I am done here, I remove here G. Okay, and this is now I'm providing incorrect path. Okay, and how this my bot will handle this error and create log file. Just watch and enjoy it. Okay, this time mm, you can see how errors are handled by the Power Automate desktop. Now finally bot has come. I'm finally ended. Now I am going to show you where is the log file. Okay, you can see here this is the log file. Okay, and I'm going to create it. I'm giving it all the details to you. Okay, this is the way you can create log file. That is the very finest way to do it. Okay, let's move to create it. First you go and search what launch excel. Okay, and you will have to select what open with we open the flowing documents. Okay, and you will have to provide some what path of the excel. And why excel? Because I am using launch excel for this reason. And that is come here, and this is the main agenda. How I have done it, and how I have used is mm, system system dot what is system dot exceptions, fail to launch excel, and runs a flow. What is this? Okay, look here. First I in this error, go to see on error, you will see retry policy. Retry policy has three things: none, fixed, exponential. Okay, in the fixed, what will you find? Times and interval. In exponential, times, minimum maximum multiplier. This minimum maximum multiplier times interval, total delays are find. None may is nothing. And what you should do, you click here or here, three section: retry policy, all errors, and advanced. Okay, but don't go in advanced section right now. You have to see all the errors. Click here. Okay, just like I'm going to click here. Okay, just wait. Eh, look here, I will create here name. I have to give here name, system exception. Will it? Okay, and you will have to take a what, go here, and all things are given here. Exceptions, fail to launch, I have copied it from here and paste here. Okay, just wait a little. I paste here. Okay, and I have created here. Go and click here new and give name of subflow. And I have already created. I create new list first. I have given name. Okay, and I have used date, get current date and time, and I have also used get last error. Any errors will come and capture this activity get last error. I have used add item to list 2 times. You can use two things. Yeah, this here last error or system exceptions. Okay, just wait here. You have system exception. You can use anywhere. I can use here both. You can use also both. Okay, but there's no need of both. Okay, you can use also it. Okay, and uh, I have converted it into text format. Okay, I write to CSV file. Okay, there is some issues. I'm not going to create a right now dynamic, but I will go and mm, do it. Just wait. What is the issue? But first I want to show you. Okay, you have already know it. Just wait. I'm going to try it. Okay, why is not coming date format? Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. What? Length. Okay, there's no issue. Okay, and run it. Okay, you can see here my log file. Okay, thanks for listening it.